Hey everyone, if you don't like to read long documents or want to save your time just by having some summary of any document, here is a tool for you. So, this is a free tool and that you can use for summarizing a long document, and you can get the extract of any document or any content or the article. So, for doing this, you can simply access the free AI text summarizer and you can now skip the scroll and get straight to the point. So, for example, I have this document and we can see this is also a AI generated document, but yes, we can use this for just for testing purposes. I pasted the complete document and now I'm clicking on summarize text. Let us see how it works and how much time it is taking actually. So it is working few seconds, 10 or within 30 seconds it will bring the result depending upon the length of your content that you are in. Yes, so this is the extract and we can simply read the colored versions and the summarized text, and we can even have preview text input and all. So it is a very wonderful tool if you are willing to save the time, and it is really going to help. So in just in case if you have the document in PDF format or doc format, you can use this upload file option for summarizing the text. Like I can show you again. So if I am uploading a document in PDF format, it is going to work easily. So the document gets uploaded automatically just by selecting the document. And let us see how it works for a PDF document, and it is absolutely free. I'm going to add the link in the description of this video and you'll definitely get benefited by using such a smart tools. On this channel Digician, we are working to find best tools and the best resources through which you can work smartly or you can start your digital business. So don't miss to subscribe this channel if you are new, and here is the summary of the uploaded document. It is really great and it works fine, and there is no obligation like you need to create account and anything. You don't need to do anything. I mean, you don't need to create a account or you don't need to pay any amount for doing all this. It is free. Go for this. Thank you.